Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diorfian, NPM 244123030. I am from the Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about the market for a factor of production. Market for a factor of production is an essential component of a faction economy. It encompasses the buying and selling for research used to create goods and services. Introduce the factor of production. Number 1. Fundamental research are the essential input to drive economic activity. They encompass the research used to produce goods and services. Number 2. Category of research. These factors and broadly categories into land, laboratories, capital, and entrepreneurship, each playing a distinct role in the production process. Number 3. Economic foundation. The interaction of these factors in the market determine the product's possibility and overall economic output of a society. Next slide. Lands as a factor of production. Nature research encompasses all nature research used in production, including fertile soil, mineral deposits, forests, and water bodies. Rents. The payment for the use of land is known as rents. This payment reflects the security and productivity of the land in question. Location value. The location of land also plays a significant role in its value. Land with favorable proximity to market infrastructure and research commands and higher price. Next slide. Labor as a factor of production. Number 1. Human input. Labor encompasses all forms of human effort, skill, and knowledge used in production. Number 2. Wage rates. The payment for labor is known as wages. Wage rates are determined by factors such as skill level, experience, and labor market conditions. Number 3. Productivity. Productivity, or the amount of output production for a worker, is a key determinant of economic growth. Next slide. Capital as a factor of production. 8. Physical capital. Physical capital refers to tangible assets used to productivity such as mechanic equipment, building, and tools. B. Human capital encompass the knowledge, skill, and experience of individuals which are present for economic product. C. Financial capital. Financial capital represents the money used to finance products, include investment in mechanic equipment and other assets. Entrepreneurship as the factor of production. Innovation and rise entrepreneurship are individuals who combine the other factors of production or create new production of service and take rise and pursuit of profits. Apportion identification. Enterprises process the ability to recognize apartment and identity human needs among markets. Research Research allocation. They play a crucial role as allocation, research efficiency, organization, production process, and bringing new ideas to the market. Next slide. Demand for factor of production. Derives demand. The demand of factor of production is divided from the demand for the final goods and service they products. Price elasticity. The demand for factor of productivity can be elastic or inelastic depending on the availability of substitutes and the relative importance of the factor in the production process. Productibility. The productibility is a factor or its ability to generate out input is a key determinant of the demand for that factor. Supply of factor of production. Geography. The supply and land and labor is influenced by geogamic factors such as natural resource, climate, and population distribution. Capital accumulation is affected by investing, saving, and technology advance which increase the available of tools and equipment. Human capital development. Um, The supply of skilled labor is influenced by education, training, and experience which exchange the product's capital of worker. Equilibrium in the factor markets. Interaction of forecast. Equilibrium in the market forecast occurs when the supply of the factor equals the demand for the factor. Price determination. The equilibrium price of a factor for production is determined by the forecast of supply and demand. Factor affecting factor price. Number one, demands. The demand for the factor of production is a key determinant of the price. Number two, supplies. The availability of the factor and the cost of production influences in the price. Number three, productivity. The productivity of a factor or the ability to generate output affect its price. Number four, different policies. Different policies such as tax, substitutes, and religious and can influence the price of the factor of production. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.